Hi everyone. First, we hope you and your families are doing well and are safe during these uncertain times. Now, we have a live video from last year that we want to share with you in hopes that it inspires you to travel once this is all over. If nothing else, this situation reminds us of how precious family and friends can be and how beautiful the world is. So when this all ends, let's meet, greet, and enjoy. So maybe about a 5-minute walk or so away from the Pantheon is Giolitti. This is where we're gonna get our gelato. Giolitti is a well-known cafe and pastry shop, and possibly the oldest ice cream parlor in Rome. A nice man that we bumped into said Giolitti was the first to sell ice mixed with fruit, known as gelato, in the world. I was blown away with the selection of gelato, but then got pointed to the register to pay first and give the receipt to the gelato man at the counter. He patiently supported us as I panicked over how many options there were. Then he said, "Con pana?" And I said, yes, because who doesn't want whipped cream? Alright, so I got the wild cherry, and they asked you if you want cream on top, and you just add some whipped cream. And my husband got the strawberry. And so yeah, you just have to pay first, and then you order. And you pay first, and you order, yeah. It's really rich. It's good.
Or you can get more than one flavor.
You can get more than one flavor if you wanted to.
What size is that?
This is a size small for €3. So we were walking down this street, and my husband sees this shop that says has the best tiramisu in town, and I'm like, it has to advertise as the best tiramisu in town. It can't possibly just have the best there. But then my husband's like, how would you know if you don't try? So here we are. We tried it. We bought it, and now I'm gonna try it.
Price and size.
This is small. Oh, €2.50. €2.50. I don't know about the best in town, but it's pretty good. A nice little snack on your walk in Rome.
Okay.
So we're now walking through the Trastevere area of Rome, known for its narrow, cobbled streets and ancient houses. Away from the Colosseum and Vatican, some consider this to be the real Roman neighborhood. And we're in search for a taste of authentic Roman pizza.
So the spot we're going to check out is called Poeta, which is a legit Roman pizzeria that's highly recommended by the locals. So we're going to put their reviews to the test and check it out. Interior, not that bad. It did take about 15 minutes for someone to acknowledge us and take our order. That was a bit disappointing because we were starving at this point, but this is the inside, not too bad. The pizzas, however, came really quickly, and we ordered 2 pies. They're personal pies. I would say probably 12 inches, if I had to guess. This is what I got. It's a mushroom pie. They didn't have a lot of meat options, or at least what I could translate to being meat options. Sierra got the zucchini pie. And I have to say, if anybody says this is the best pizza in Rome, they could be correct. They were really good. About €8.50 a piece. Well worth it. Well worth the wait. Well worth the walk.